Lesson 13. Family and Friends. Part A. Relatives. My father died when I was 9, and so my mother was a widow with 4 young children. She remarried 5 years later, so now I have a stepfather. As he is not my real father, I call him by his first name, which is Dieter. I've got an elder brother called Thomas and 2 younger sisters, Anya and Claudia, who are twins. We are a close family. My mother is an only child, but I've got 2 uncles on my father's side. One is married with 2 children, and the other is married with 3 children. So altogether I have 5 cousins. I get on well with Uncle Rolf, and he always tells me I'm his favorite nephew. Of his nieces, I think he likes Anya best. Recently, my brother Thomas got married. His wife's name is Sabine, so I now have a sister-in-law as well. A widow. A woman whose husband has died. Elder, the same as older. Twins, 2 children born to one mother at the same time. Close family, a family who like each other and stay together a lot. Only child, without brothers or sisters. Get on well with somebody. Have a good relationship with somebody. Sister-in-law. Also mother-in-law, brother-in-law, son-in-law, etc. Here you have a family tree. The continuation is on Boosty. Please check the link under the video.